everyone, it's Maggie. I'm back in quarantine dyeing my hair again. I'm extremely bored and I'm not liking that the black is turning green, but that's just because I had yellow tones in my hair before. So I was thinking, I don't know how to put it in edit, but like this kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a sunset-y tone. And by the way, guys, look, I got the MacBook, and it is so helpful and useful, and I'm in love with it. And also, I am not filming with my phone anymore. I am using an actual camera on a tripod, and I'm so happy about it. Hello! So that's what we're doing today. We're going to be dyeing my hair again. And if you're getting bored of these videos, please tell me. I do have many other ideas that I am going to do. It's just hard to do in quarantine. But that's hopefully going to be over somewhat soon. Hello, you. Over somewhat soon. Hello, you. Why would you do that?
Why not?
I'm recording.
That's the best part. Because now you're looking at me and not the camera. And it's still recording.
I know. Okay, well, we're going to be dyeing my hair. Let's get to it.
Yeah. You gotta put like white over top of the black, and then you gotta put red in it. And then... Oh, okay, that's really hard. The orange is really cute. I mean...
I like that orange.
The purple's really dope, but, like...
You're being recorded.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Did you like...
I already know what I'm doing with my hair.
Mohawk.
No.
Coloring mohawk in my head.
Can I?
I was thinking about it.
Can I?
It just won't stay up. It won't stay up. Like, it too...
During this whole video, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just using a bunch of different colors, including like the black and the red and the purple, all from Arctic Fox, which again, I love their product. Not sponsored, wish I was. And what you just saw there was actually Keith and I arguing about how that color is white, but it's not actually color at all, and white isn't a hair dye color. So I was like getting frustrated with that, because yeah. And then I had to wash my hands a whole bunch because, of course, I didn't use gloves. And then I put a bag over the black section of my hair so that I could do the sunset section of my hair, which this took so much longer than I thought it would. So I started by applying like dark purple to my roots. And by getting the dark purple, I just mixed the Girls' Night Out with the Transylvania and the mist thing, or whatever it's called. I don't know what they're actually calling it. And Keisha helped me mix throughout, like, the whole time, because, like, I'm stupid and don't know what I'm doing. I was having issues this whole time. I was like, oh my gosh, what if I miss a spot? Oh my gosh, like, I'm gonna be patchy. I don't really know why I did this. Right now it's 6 a.m. because I've been editing all night, and I did this at like 1 a.m. in the morning because I was bored, I think. And yeah, I'm so tired. So I've been doing this all night. I did my makeup and everything too, just to do the outro. So yeah, it's felt like a busy night, but in reality, I'm just a very lazy person. Also, there's no music because I still don't know how to add music with this yet, but I'll figure it out. Hopefully. Eventually, I will. It's okay. Someone tell me what I'm doing. Please help me. Can anyone let me know how like you update a MacBook? Because I have no, I don't know how, and I need to download iMovie, but I don't know if I can with this version. So I don't know if I can. Please tell me in the comments below. I don't know a thing about laptops. Yeah, so I feel kind of old right now because I have no idea what I'm doing. The little black cat in the background, that's Tim Tam, and the big fat one, that's Turbo. He's pretty weird. They're in love, I assume. Either that, or they're just really weird. Or both. I mean, that works too. At this point, I was just applying the rest of the color, like orange and the red and pink. I tried green, but the green just didn't show up. So this is how my hair has turned out, and I love it. It is awesome. I love these colors. I love having dark hair for once in my life. I also put on makeup for the first time in like ever, just to complete this look. Here it is. This is my hair. I adore it. Yeah. The green didn't really show at all, but other than that, I think it went really well and it looks good and I love it. It is magical. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you want more videos like this, or if you have any ideas for a video, comment down below. Like my video, subscribe if you want more from me, because I can be a fun person sometimes. So thank you for watching. All of my social media will be down below. Like and subscribe. Go subscribe to me and KEESHAS channel. It's fun. And we're both 2 times as crazy as just one of us, so that's the thing. Yes, thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.